argued the application for bail on behalf of Bharat. The the prosecutors have objected to it on the ground that some other co-accused has given a statement that I am a part investor, a part owner of the establishment, but they have not been able to show any single document to the court how that connection has been established by them. So it appears that they are just concocting a story to keep me further in custody. We have argued it, and the matter has been kept on 26th of December in the afternoon for orders on my bail application.
So how many days he's already in the custody?
He was in police custody for 9 days, and thereafter he is in judicial custody since 18th. So for about next 6 days he is in judicial custody now.
सरपंच रोशन रेडकार आणि सेक्रेटरी रघुवीर बागकार हांच्या जामीन अर्जावेलो निवाडो कोर्टान 30 डिसेंबरा मेरेन राखून दवरलो.
कितें आसा सांग, एकदां ट्रेजेडी जाता न्ही. इफ यू गो एंड फायंड आउट एवरी डिपार्टमेंट हॅज टू बी ब्लेम. If the club was operating from 2023, what was the fire department doing? They also know that it was operating. The police also knows that they were operating. In fact, the fire took place at 1 o'clock in the night. And in Goa, we all know that you can't play music beyond 10 o'clock. So what were the police doing? After 10 o'clock, if the police had to stop, the fire would not happen. What was the health department doing? They didn't have health license also. So you just can't pick and choose and single out one political head because of some political reasons and pick up a Sarpanch and say that, well, he is the culprit and therefore. And he can't be the culprit because it is a body decision. It's not an individual's decision.
बर्च अग्निकांडात सरपंच रोशन रेडकाराक जापसालदार धरून ताका डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करचो म्हणून थळावो नागरिक सिराज पेडणेकराची पंचायत संचालनालया कडेन कागाळ.
So this petition that we have filed today before the Directorate of Panchayat seeks the immediate removal of the Sarpanch of Arpora Nagwa Panchayat. So this petition presents a clear case of abuse of power, statutory violations and corruption. Firstly, the Sarpanch has illegally issued an establishment license for a nightclub named Birch by Romeo Lane in an environmentally sensitive zone where such activities are prohibited. Which has led to a tragic fire causing 25 deaths and leaving several injured.
दुसरे वटेन बर्च अग्निकांडाची मॅजिस्ट्रियल चौकशी पुराय जाल्या हे विशींचो अहवाल समिती गृह खात्या कडेन सादर करतली खंय. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.